Day 2. Woke up a few hours ago. It already feels like 90+ degrees here. It's so hot, end of March. Was warm going to bed, and it cooled off pretty nice as I slept through the night, so it wasn't too bad. And met some new people, new friends, and we're gonna go to Racetrack. Yeah, let's go say hi to them real quick.
I almost took off without my wallet. You know, at least I got some of it.
There's my buddy Paul. Unfortunately, I'm not riding with him today.
Hey!
But thanks for the invite, man.
Absolutely, it's great to have you here, bud.
Yeah, we'll ride in a day.
We're gonna meet up for steak dinners tonight. And that's all that matters, right?
And get some more cold beer.
Yeah, tons of cold beer, steak dinners.
Heck yeah.
This is the life right now.
Oh man, yeah.
Good times.
Yeah, it is beautiful here. All right.
Almost.
Oh, I'm no rush. I came over to shoot some video.
Hello.
So what's your name?
Right.
And you've got the 1200.
The 1250 GS, yeah.
How do you like that thing?
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah, I love the 1250.
Heavy as hell, but
yeah,
as long as it's straight,
it just does everything.
Yeah.
Nice. And how long you been riding then?
Been riding since I was like 14.
Yeah, kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, heck yeah. Now how about with the GSs?
I've had this for like 2 years now.
Okay.
2.5 years now.
So what were bikes before, like a cruiser or a sport bike?
I had a cruiser, I had a sport bike, I had everything.
And what was your name again for the camera?
Prasad.
How long you been on this mean machine?
This one I've been on for close to 7 years, yeah.
Were you always riding a GS?
No, I was riding small bikes before.
Yeah.
Then it was a R6.
Okay.
And a Ninja 7.
Okay.
And then when I turned 40, wife said no more sports bikes, dirt bikes. Okay, so got the biggest dirt bike I could get.
So this is the crew I'm riding with. So it's really nice meeting you guys, and we're gonna have a good day. And we're off. We've been at the Furnace Creek campsite. This GoPro died last night, so I didn't get us coming in. Oop. So, now get me coming out. Lots of tent campers here. Oh yeah. And I gotta tell you, the bathrooms, there is running water that you can drink. That's what it says. I have been, we'll see. And there's flushing toilets, so it's not like it's not a pit toilet. So that's nice. There's my tent. Hopefully it's there when I get back. Yeah, rolling with 2 people I've never met, which is way cool. It's always fun to ride with new people. We're gonna go check out some salt or something first. I believe they call this the lowest part. GPS says minus 270. All right, we're like, I think close to 250, 300 feet below sea level. There's a mark on that rock up there, which I don't think you can see. I feel like I'm in the snow. It's kind of bright.
Yeah. You want to walk on the hot pack and see how it is?
282. Yeah, I guess we got to put our feet on it, right? And the idea here is there was water once here, right? That's where all this came from?
The sea, right? All of the Death Valley was on the sea.
Yeah. I didn't read the pamphlet. Well, there it is, huh?
Yeah, it's just weird, dude. It's weird.
Weird.
Has anyone licked it?
Well, we could try on
Is that a thing? Like eating fresh snow?
Let's try it.
Looks like someone took some home. What do you think?
Yeah.
Looks like they're shoveling it out. Oh, and there's water.
There is.
Well, that's something.
Okay, Badwater. You want to touch the Badwater?
Ooh. That's Badwater. Yeah. Walk all the way out there. You know, it just seems more the same.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It is like the...
Look at that sand. Rock, sand, salt. It's crazy out here. Yeah, so a little bit of a drive from, you know, stovepipe, if you will. You got gas. So it's like an hour and a half. About 50, probably about 60 miles. We've been on the road for a little bit already. that destination, I put in the grandstand. So that's this taking us to the grandstand right now. And our elevation is 50. And the temperature is 92. Wish it was a little bit better. All right, we're off. We're off on the racetrack road. Oh man, that is slippery. That is very slippery. I thought this was gonna be more dirt. This is like fine gravel, fine business. All right, here are the washboards. Yep. Little washboard action. Oh yeah, she's slippery, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Finding some Joshua trees. Get a little cacti action. What do we got? We got 11 miles. 11 more miles until the grandstand. And yeah, we're just putting. I probably shouldn't have filled up with gas. I put all 8 gallons in this beast. And then I got tools in my top box. So I got all this weight high. And my tires, they're so-so, right? They're the Trail Max, but I mean they're pretty slippery on this dang terrain. Knobbies would really be what you want in here, man. Yeah, no doubt. But what are you gonna do? Gotta go with what you got. Oh, there's the silty. Okay, all right. A little bypass to the silty. Yeah. Oh man, we're 7 miles away from the racetrack itself, and the road's been medium to hard at times. You know, for me, I'm like a medium to low rider. But you know, I got these tires, they're doing okay. And now we just stopped for a little break, changed some batteries. Looks like these guys are getting ready. What do you guys think of the road?
Ooh, I hate washboats, man.
Yeah, it's pretty slippery too.
Yeah.
Now I'm assuming these tires, you guys are probably feeling a little bit more planted than,
oh yeah, definitely, compared to that.
Yeah.
I would say, yeah.
Yeah, because it dances around. All right, let's hit it.
Yeah.
Well, you haven't seen Death Valley until you've seen the Kettle Junction. And that's what we just got to. Look at this thing, that's pretty crazy, right? I don't know the story behind this. But it's interesting because it looks like people bring their tea kettles. It's got a date of 2022. Oh, these are all fairly new. You know what? I would assume that, I bet the Rangers clean this up. I see a lot of 2022s. I don't see anything older. So what do they do with the old tea kettles that they collect? Because I'm guessing this thing gets just full. There's even a boot. Forgot the kettle, but left a boot. I think they're saying there's another like 40 miles worth of dirt, and we already been 30 miles-ish. Yeah. Yeah, we're back to we're going a pretty good clip. Alright, let's get on the road. There is the grandstand and the racetrack. Yeah, look how many people are here. It's a pretty big, pretty good group. Well, we made it. Made it to the racetrack. It was a good little run down this way. I also just learned that if you're facing the racetrack, Lippincott is gonna be, this is my right, to my right, which is the hardest portion, not all of it, but just some of it, of the California BDR. We were gonna go that way, and another rider gave us a heads up about that. So from the racetrack, we're gonna go to my left, back to Kettle Junction, and then up that. There's a mountain pass. I don't know what that mountain pass is, but let's look at these rocks. We initially got off the bikes up there at the grandstand, but I guess the good rocks are over here, even though this whole area is full of rocks. I think the line, you can see, see the line there. And like even, look, I see a big streak right here even. I think someone stole it.
Oh, I think it's that one all the way there at the entrance, man.
Actually made an S. Look at it swerve that way and swerve that way. Well, that's a trip. Man. These guys got their nice cameras. Well, we saw enough of the rocks. It was kind of neat. I'd say the juice is worth a squeeze. I don't know. A lot of people were saying it's not all that interesting here, but I feel like it's something you got to see. There's some really neat pictures of this place online if you ever Google it. Just beautiful sunset, sunrise with these rocks. I mean, it looks way better than what we just saw. Maybe a little Photoshop was involved. But nah, it was cool. All right, so what's the mountain pass called we're going to?
We're gonna do the Hunter Mountain Pass, Hunter Mountain Road, then Saline Valley Road.
Nice. I bet it cools down pretty good up there.